So, good day everyone. My name is Anthony Guan Supatan, and I come from a municipality where agriculture is the main way of living. Municipality of Tuburan. I've seen firsthand how much farmers depend on the land and how tough it gets when the soil loses nutrients or when fertilizers become too much expensive. That's why I was drawn to a study by Camille Andrea R. Flores, Maria Auxelia T. Seringan, and Mary Angelo V. Relaxo Santiago from the University of the Philippines, Diliman. Their research entitled Multiple Plants Growth Promoting Activities Exhibited by Root-Associated Bacteria Isolated from Bamboo and Corn. This research looks at how natural bacteria in our own crops can help plants grow better, healthier, and stronger without relying too much on chemicals. It's a mix of science and also sustainability that could make a big difference for farming communities like mine, which is the municipality of Tuburan. So, the key points of this research is that the researchers collected 27 types of bacteria based on what I have read on the research. They collected 27 types of bacteria from the roots of the bamboo and corn plants in Cagayan province. When studied in the lab, they found also, based on my readings, 100% produce IAA, which is a natural hormone that boosts root and shoot growth. And also 89% made siderophores, helping plants absorb iron from the soil. Next, they also discovered that 41% could release phosphate, or it is a vital for plant growth. 15% had nitrogen-fixing genes, adding nitrogen to the soil naturally, like free fertilizers for the plants. Also, there are two bacteria stood out, which is the Enterobacter rogencampi B101 and Klebsiella oxytuca B104, both showing all these plants friendly traits. The study also suggests that they could be developed into biofertilizers for the farmers, which is very helpful for the farmers, not just in the Cagayan province, but also around the world, all in the Philippines. So, for the contribution to the Philippines about the research, their research can actually help in many ways. First, in our environmental aspect, less chemical fertilizers used keep soil and water cleaner. That's for the environmental. Next, for the economic. Local biofertilizers could lower cost for farmers, which is very helpful. Next, which is scientific. It adds knowledge about health for bacteria in Philippine soils, not just in the Philippines, but also from the other countries internationally. Next, we have community. Better yields mean more food and income for families. So it's easy for them to find fertilizers. That's why it's easy for them not to plant in their backyards or in their farm. And now for my personal insights. So as someone coming from a farming town, which is the municipality of Tuburan, I've seen how rising fertilizers prices and poor soil affect farmers, harvest, and livelihoods. This research excites me because it shows that solutions can come from our own land. These bacteria are already here, ready to be used to make farming more affordable and sustainable. I imagine my community municipality of Tuburan having healthier crops, better harvests, and spending less on costly farm inputs. So, I chose this study because it blends local science with the real-life needs of our community. It reminds us that we don't always have to look for far answers. Sometimes they're already in our soil, right in our backyards, in our farm, and everywhere. For agriculture towns like my municipality of Tuburan, this discovery is more than just a research. It's hope for a better future. Nature really gives us what we need to grow food. If we use it wisely, we can protect the environment, support farmers, and build a stronger, greener Philippines.